Well, we're Team Bad Wiring, and the team is myself, Ron Weigel from Salt Lake City, and there's Jerry Hughes back here. He's from Tooele, and Jack, who's still sleeping, getting his beauty sleep. He's from Salt Lake too. And rocket's name is Blown Fuse, and we're flying on a P7500, 8-inch, 6-inch P. 6-inch P, so with wimpy red propellant.
What kind of electronics you have in it?
Olson's. Go Olson or go home.
How much is the rocket going to weigh on the pad?
Just short of 200. I think it's like 180 or so.
How I expect it to go?
Well, we've flown it before. It went 17.2 last time, so I think we'll probably hit somewhere near there.
Okay, and the chute's coming out, you've blown everything at Apogee?
Yeah, we've got DITs, dual deployment, so we got a drogue coming out at Apogee and then a main coming out probably at about 1,000 feet.
Is this all fiberglass construction?
Yeah, it's a fiberglass tube, and there's, just 1/2-inch ply fins with some fiberglass over them.
Well, good luck.
Thanks.